Don't throw that cardboard away. Cut, fold, glue, and turn it into a mini boat.
Turn scrap cardboard into a mini airplane. Cut, fold, glue, add the wings, paint it, and look at this amazing final result. Watch this cardboard transform. Cut, assemble, add the dome and minaret, then paint it into a beautiful miniature mosque. Don't throw away that cardboard. Cut, fold, glue, add the wheels and details, and turn it into a cool mini car. Turn scrap cardboard into a stylish wall clock. Cut, decorate, add the clock mechanism, set the hands, and it's ready.
Turn old cardboard into a cozy cat house. Cut, glue, build the roof, add soft details, and give your cat a tiny home.